Today we'll show you how to download image from your Google Chrome. Okay, just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. First, open your Google Chrome and go to search and put here, maybe I want to download now a cat and dog. Okay guys, just go now here. I want to put download, this is from here. Okay, I want to download a high quality. Just go to tool and go now to like a size, and I want the large size to put, it's like a high quality. Okay guys, okay, I choose maybe it's very beautiful. This is the high size, it's like full HD guys. Just now click with the right your mouse and save image as like this, as what. Okay, WinBP here. Just now go to bureau and download it. Okay, finally, not just only click, and finally now we have, this is a picture in our PC with high quality guys. Just don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.